there, I'm Maren and welcome back to our channel. Running an elder law firm means you're constantly wearing a dozen different hats at once. You're trying to serve families, hit strict deadlines, and grow your practice all at the same time, which is a massive load for any attorney or small team to carry. Because of that weight, we hear this question all the time. Should elder law attorneys outsource work just to save money? The honest answer is yes, sometimes, but only if you're handing off the right tasks to the right people for the right reasons. Today, we're looking at how outsourcing can actually protect your time and your energy so you can focus on the work that only you can do. The first step is identifying what truly needs your specific attention. In most firms, the attorney should be spending time on their strategy, client advice, and legal decisions because that's the high-value work where your expertise really shines. Everything else is likely lower-value work that doesn't necessarily need to stay on your plate forever. This includes things like managing your inbox, scheduling appointments, basic client follow-up, or even social media and website updates. If these tasks are eating up 5 or 10 hours of your week, you aren't just losing money, you're losing the capacity to actually lead your firm. A lot of people think outsourcing is strictly about getting something done cheaper than hiring in-house, and while that can be a factor, it's usually not the biggest win. The real victory here is time. If outsourcing gives you back 10 hours a week, that represents 10 more hours for high-level consultations, better follow-up with your best leads, and significantly less burnout. That kind of return on your investment matters so much more than just comparing hourly rates, because it gives you the mental space to think about the future of your firm rather than just surviving the day. Of course, this is where some firms get into trouble by trying to hand off everything at once. Outsourcing works best when a task is repeatable, trainable, and doesn't require your direct legal judgment. If a task is highly sensitive or central to your specific client relationships, you have to be extremely careful. The goal isn't just to find any help, it's to find the right help that reflects your firm's values, because one disorganized partner can cause more damage than any money you might have saved. Before you ever hand off a project, you need a clear process in place. If a task only exists in your head, it's going to be almost impossible for someone else to do it well. Whether it's a checklist, a template, or a simple set of recorded instructions, having a system makes the transition successful. This is especially true for your marketing efforts. If you want a partner to help with your online presence or your content, they need to understand your voice and your specific goals from day one. So, should you outsource to save money? Yes. But the better question is whether you should outsource to save your focus. When you are thoughtful about what you hand off and who you trust, you create a much more sustainable practice. If you're trying to figure out which parts of your marketing or your client journey make the most sense to hand off, we would love to help. At Bambiz, we specialize in taking those marketing tasks off your plate so you can get back to practicing law. You can schedule a free 15-minute call with our team today to look at your current plan. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have a question, drop a comment below and someone from our team will reach out. Let's trade the busy work for your best work.